joy. Firsty birdie, one color. Let's get cooking. Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you these pans and these food and the Shopkins. And the birdies think that this is the Shopkins water. They think it is. So let's get started in cooking. We're gonna make Shopkins out of food. Let's get started. Firsty bird. Oh, you silly bird. Firsty birdie. 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 Whoa. I'm gonna start making food. Firsty birdie. Whoa. Just stay here. I'm gonna get the food ready now. So you have to choose one color. So I'm gonna choose pink. I found Breaky Crunch. Put it in there. Lollipoppins. She's pink. Danny Danish. She's pink. Any more pink ones? I found the Murray Burry hat. Put it. Oops, this is red. We need to put it back. Whoop. Grandma jam, but it's metallic. It's okay. No, Graham jam. Can you please? Yes. Now, cute. Wow, she's so sparkly. Look at her, guys. Put it in there. Tommy ketchup. Look, it's almost ready to cook. Let's just spin it. Come on. Whoa. We need one more pink Shopkin. Let's put this pecan milk buds. There. Now we're ready to cook them. I'm gonna pretend this is the stove. Let's get cooking. Put it there. We're gonna use this knife. Cut this carrot. There. Put these pieces inside. Whoa! 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 Let's put some Parmesan cheese. Only one more. There. Now let's put some milk. Now I'm gonna put some water in here. Doop. There. Now mix it all up with the spoon. some Shopkins. Let's put it in this pan. Take the cap off and spin it. There. Now put the cap on. Now do it. Okay, time for swimming. Wee, wee, wee. This is so much fun making water for the birds. I love doing this. Wee, wee. Let me taste it a bit. Yum. Let me put this on this plate so the first peepers can take flushes out. No flushes. There we go. Graham Jam, you're looking up. Put you there. Oh, Snuggle, I love to cook you. You're so sparkly, and I love you. Let's take the petkin. The frosty birdies love petkins because they're birdies. Wow, put that in. Oh, they're super duper hot. I have to put this here. Okay, so there's too many pink Shopkins. I can't even take them out. One more. Breaky Crunch. Put her there. Who was ready to eat? Firsty Berry. Whoa, I will give you some. Firsty Berry. Okay, here's the milk for you. Here you go. Firsty Berry. That's not water. It is. Firsty Berry. Come and see. There's no water. Firsty Berry, you're right. There's no water in there. Here you go. Firsty Berry, I told you that's not water. It is. It's food. And this is water. No, it's milk. And this is the field. There's no water here. There is water in here. They're not. Firsty Berry, there is in the water there. Come on, berries. Let's go and eat some water. From here, stay here, birdies. I'm gonna make some other water for you. Okay. Use this. Cheeky cherries, where are you going? Cheeky cherries. There we go. I'm gonna put blue Shopkins and yellow Shopkins. A blue Shopkin goes in there. Yellow Shopkin. Come on, go inside. Come on. There. Wait, that doesn't go there. It goes there. Colonel Mustard is yellow. Let's take him. Oh, I put in the wrong space. Yoshi, but she is from the season 5. Let's put her there. Piano Man, she's blue. Come on, go. Go, I'm not moving. In the spoon. Plop it in there. Whoop. In Marble Shopkins, we have another one and another one. Wow, so many Shopkins. Tiny tissues. He's from season 5. There. Jennifer Rain. She's so cute. Put it there. Oh. Yes, Snookabuds. Wheelbarrow, come on. Let's film you. There. You have to find the Elsa. Oh, wow. Now film the yellow Shopkin. Wow. Okay, first gonna take the blue one. Turn it around. Wait. Okay, first gonna put some salt. Crush. Them on the stove. Now spill some milk. Then mix it up. Now I'm gonna add some steamy vegetable soup. Nice and warm. Yummy! Great! Now I'm gonna add some egg. Mix them all up. Okay, birdies, all done. Here they come. Bye, everybody. We made the blue, yellow, and pink. Bye. For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.